Hey guys, I'm Daniel from Dash22. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be making this magnificent chessboard with its maple and walnut squares, a red resin surround and a blackwood outer surround. Let's take the chessboard out of the cramps and we'll see what we've got. Yeah, good. I like it. Nice and flat. I'll whack it with the sander a couple of times just to really flatten it off before I cut it. Okay guys, we're just gluing on the blackwood surrounds first, and I'll pin them on with a pin gun. Okay, the big reveal. Let's see what we've got. That looks good. No gaps. Came out great. See how I back cut the rotary before I go forward so it doesn't get any tear out. I'm using red resin here, and we'll see how we go. I don't know how much I mixed, I just took a guess. I might have mixed them more, I might not. We shall see. Chessboard is totally finished now. Look at that. With its maple and walnut squares and blackwood surround, it came up great. Hey guys, check out the full version on YouTube for a step-by-step process of exactly how to build this magnificent chessboard, including story time. Came up really nice. Look at that. Okay guys, thanks for watching again, and please subscribe and ring the bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay mate, okay guys, we'll see you then. Bye.